Welcome everyone, thank you for watching the video demonstration of AssentAI. Stay with us as we explore how this system of systems will change the way we interact with intelligent systems. AssentAI isn't just another AI workflow, it's a consensus system to improve response accuracy. Here's how it works. Role-based. Context assigned by users greatly improve AI's efficacy. Multi-agents. The same prompt is processed simultaneously by 3 AI agents with identical roles, where each agent generates its own response independently. No influence between them. Consensus. An independent AI compares all 3 agents' answers. Its role is to verify if agent's response is in consensus and also provide a summarized review of the response. Let's go over the AI workflow quickly before the demonstration. Firstly, user will initiate the AssentAI processors by inputting a role and query at the terminal, after which the program will then store a copy of the role and query in the internal database. In the next phase, it will establish API connectivity between the different reasoning agents. Once connected, the AI agents will process the user input based on role context and provide its perspective on the matter. Once all reasoning data has been stored in the database, AssentAI will proceed to make an API call to the consensus AI to review and provide an unbiased summary of the agent's responses. Lastly, the program will prepare a PDF report for the user, which will include a summary as well as detailed correspondence from the AI agents. Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to present AssentAI. What you see right now is the program interface. The user is currently selecting a role from various options across different sectors. For this demonstration, the user has specifically chosen the engineering role. Next, the user has clicked the Settings button. This option brings up selections for agent type, service providers, LLM models, and API keys. Clicking Save stores the data in the program's internal database. The user has clicked the Load File option. Alternatively, they can copy and paste their content. In this example, the user is conducting an aviation investigation. They can type in a prompt, upload a text file, or paste content from elsewhere. Once the user is finished, they can click Submit to initiate the research process. On the back end, the application sends the query to the respective large language model through its API links. The speed of the AI's response depends on the model's parameter size and optimization, and the length and depth of the analysis can vary from model to model. When all 3 AI models have completed their analysis and stored their findings in the built-in database, the consensus AI will begin its detailed review of the responses from all 3 models. Given the scope and depth of this analysis, the consensus AI may take some time to evaluate everything before providing a response. Finally, once the analysis by the consensus AI is complete, the system will enable the Save Report button, allowing the user to save a copy of the report to their local device. After the program has saved the report, it will automatically open the active PDF for the user's review. The saved report contains detailed analyses from all 3 AI responses. Additionally, the consensus AI has a unique contextual setting due to its role as consensus leader. Its task is to summarize the analysis of all AI agents' responses and check for agreement among the AI models. One more thing. Earlier we mentioned AssentAI has an internal database which store users' role and query input. Well, this persistent memory also enables users to ask follow-up questions on the previous query, empowering user to do an in-depth consensus query, enabling better insights on a research topic. Let's have a look at follow-up query example, shall we? On the left, we see an example of the initial user input query. After receiving this input, AssentAI generates a broad range of options and informs the user when the AI reaches a consensus on the suggestions provided. On the right, the user asks a follow-up question, requesting AssentAI conduct a deep dive into the hardware options. The response is detailed and technical, with all AI agents in agreement. This results in a technical solution that is potentially more reliable and accurate. Thank you for watching this short video on AssentAI. We appreciate your time and patience.